Are you aware that there are certain fruits that can truly supercharge your health? Imagine being able to boost your energy, support weight loss goals, and even help prevent chronic diseases. It's just by adding these fruits to your daily diet. In today's video, we reveal the top 5 most powerful fruits that pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. Get ready to discover nature's incredible gifts and learn how you can incorporate them into your routine for a better, healthier you. Are you excited to learn more? Let's dive right in. In a world where health concerns continue to rise and people seek natural ways to improve their well-being, understanding the power of fruits is essential. It's no secret that fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are beneficial for our bodies. However, not all fruits are created equal. Some stand out due to their unique combination of nutrients and compounds that offer extraordinary health benefits. From boosting the immune system to supporting weight loss and improving digestion, these 5 fruits are true gems. Their delicious taste and incredible health advantages make them must-haves in your daily diet. Get ready to be amazed by the power of nature and discover how these fruits can transform your health. Many people struggle to choose the best food options, especially when it comes to fruits. They may be so focused on avoiding unhealthy choices that they overlook some of the most nutritious and beneficial fruits out there. This lack of awareness can lead to missed opportunities to improve their health and well-being. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to educate yourself about the best fruits for your body and make informed choices. By expanding your knowledge and being mindful of the options available to you, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious fruits that can make a positive impact on your health. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to choosing the best fruits, you have the power to make informed decisions that will benefit your overall well-being. So take the time to learn about the amazing benefits of different fruits and make them part of your daily diet. Your body will thank you for it. Let's start with number 5 on our list, wild blueberries. These tiny blue gems are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in your body. One study found that consuming wild blueberries can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for managing blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Wild blueberries also contain compounds that can help support healthy blood pressure levels, making them a great choice for heart health. Additionally, these little berries are rich in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied after a meal, potentially aiding in weight management. The unique pigment in wild blueberries, called anthocyanin, gives them their vibrant color and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating wild blueberries into your diet can be as simple as topping your oatmeal with fresh blueberries or blending them into smoothies. You can also use them as a topping for yogurt or salads to add a burst of flavor and nutrition. And here's a fun fact. Wild blueberries are low in sugar compared to cultivated blueberries, making them a guilt-free indulgence for those watching their sugar intake. Now let's move on to number 4, limes and lemons. These small but mighty fruits are packed with vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and protect against infections. Limes and lemons are also a good source of flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. The high levels of citrate in limes and lemons can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, making them an excellent choice for those at risk. These fruits are highly versatile and can be used in various ways to add flavor and nutrition to your meals. A simple way to incorporate limes and lemons into your diet is to squeeze their juice over salads to add a refreshing citrusy touch. You can also use lime or lemon peel to add a fragrant zest to your dishes, or blend lemon juice and zest into homemade salad dressings. And did you know that limes and lemons are actually berries? Yes, these little fruits are technically classified as berries because they have a fleshy exterior and a single seed inside. Now let's explore number 3, mango, the juicy queen of the tropics. This fruit is not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. Mangoes are a great source of vitamin C, which is important for immune health and wound healing. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and skin, as well as folate, which is crucial for cell growth and development. Mangoes are also high in dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, potentially helping with weight management. But that's not all. Mangoes contain a variety of other beneficial compounds, such as polyphenols and carotenoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds can help protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. To enjoy the health benefits of mangoes, simply slice them up and eat them as a delicious snack. You can also add them to smoothies or fruit salads for a tropical twist. And here's a fun fact about mangoes. Did you know that the largest mango ever recorded weighed over 31 pounds? That's almost as heavy as a newborn baby. Now let's delve into number 2, Noni or vomit fruit. Despite its rather unpleasant name, Noni or vomit fruit is a true nutritional powerhouse. This fruit is extremely rich in L-tryptophan, an amino acid that is used to make serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in mood regulation and happiness. Noni's high tryptophan content makes it a potential natural remedy for those dealing with mood disorders such as depression. Additionally, Noni is a good source of other essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, and iron. It contains a variety of bioactive compounds such as flavonoids and alkaloids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Noni's unique flavor profile has often been compared to a strong blue cheese with some pharmaceutical notes. While it may not appeal to everyone's taste buds, those who enjoy its pungentness often find it to be a memorable and exhilarating culinary experience. To experience the benefits of Noni, you can consume it fresh by slicing it into chunks and enjoying it as a unique fruit. However, its intense flavor may be too much for some, so feel free to experiment with small amounts first. And here's a fun fact about Noni. The name vomit fruit may seem off-putting, but it's actually derived from the Malay word noni, which means smelly. The fruit's strong odor is a testament to its unique character and distinct taste. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, number 1 on our list, Soursop, the creamy dream of tropical delights. This fruit is not only incredibly luscious and satisfying, but also packed with an impressive array of health benefits. Soursop is a rich source of anti-cancer agents such as L-tryptophan and gallic acid, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It also contains a variety of other beneficial compounds like flavonoids, phytosterols, and vitamins. These compounds contribute to Soursop's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. Soursop is a fantastic fruit for promoting healthy digestion, thanks to its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut and preventing digestive issues like constipation and bloating. Additionally, Soursop is known for its anti-diabetic properties. It can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great option for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. To experience the creamy goodness of Soursop, simply scoop out the flesh from the skin and enjoy it as a delicious and nutritious dessert. Wow. You can also blend Soursop into smoothies or use it to make tasty puddings. And here's a fun fact about Soursop. The name Soursop comes from the old French word sour, meaning sour, and the Spanish word suero, meaning juice or whey. There you have it, the top 5 most powerful fruits that can truly level up your health. From the antioxidant-rich wild blueberries to the anti-cancer properties of Soursop, these fruits offer a wide range of health benefits. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can be a delicious and effective way to boost your well-being. But don't stop there. If you want to dive deeper into the world of health and nutrition, stay tuned for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.